Dominic and stuff.
Dominic, you should round off these parts right here.
Yeah, he was gonna do that next.
Dude, our thing's
I love that vocabulary that you used. What did you just say would make that when you put the tape on there, Caleb?
and make it more stable. Maybe if we work harder, we could probably make it.
Magic.
Yeah, but what is that even? What is it?
Oh no, we're not gonna make it kind of.
Before you flap, let's see if it's waterproof and if it floats.
Okay.
It's floating. Nice.
Is there any movement?
Okay, so now let's use the wind and see if you can get it to move.
Okay.
You're ready. Okay, criteria number 1, does it float?
Yes.
Does it float?
Yes.
Is it waterproof? Any water leaking in?
No.
Great. Okay, let's try wind force.
That's not hard.
Does the wind move it?
Yes.
Wind will push it, like it will get caught behind here and push it
I
forward.
see that. All the other sails were triangular, and this one.
It floats.
Oh, it floats. Now, why do you think that one floats, but the one with the styrofoam cups doesn't float? See it side by side?
The styrofoam cups are a little smaller, and we put
Well,
like a base.
Are they smaller or are they taller?
They're taller. They're taller and thinner.
Yeah, they look narrower
Yeah.
at the bottom. There we go. Okay, so what causes it to flop over? Think about science.
probably like too much weight and maybe like putting a flatter bottom on.
Okay, so in order for something to move, there has to be a force. So what is forcing that to fall over on its side? What's the name of that force? Gravity, right. And then you're saying that the top is to what?
Here we come. Let's team up.